Beach. Mama Louie for joining us here at the center stage, everyone. Again, happy 4th of July. I also want to hand for all your hard-working staff that put this wonderful event on today. Where a moon shines on the sand, and the Beach Boys are sailing with the tide to the shore with girls side by side on the sand. You hear music of all and the Beach Boys are playing, singing of their lily singing neath the moonlight under the palm trees down on the sand tonight, thinking where the moon shines on the sand, and the Beach Boys are under the palm trees, where music singing neath the moonlight under the palm trees down. The Beach Boys are under the palm trees, where music lingers under the palm trees, where music Mama Louie, get home safe for everyone, please. Aloha.